Kalkenhon Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF haringkat ki pulit ki East Jaintia Hills kila yok wan kemno ya wei unong kai drok badang wan na chura Chanpur Manipur shishlong but yok ban kurup no ya heroin uba shongdor palat sapholak tingka. Superintendent of Police ki East Jaintia Hills Vikash Kumar IPS lingba ukurwa ulo ong bahakami jong khatn riutrik nailar Kalkenhon ANTF klayo ekajingtep ke batikna hakabaya day but way ubriu ubami na chura Chanpur Manipur banwan shishlong da ka basket patba haringkat udrak. Kumta ki he ke ANTF ringkat ki pulit ke East Jaintia Hills hakakat nyotrik nailar kila pelong kajingpan upshrip hakashnong Byndihati East Jaintia Hills but hakapur kumba arkatsan no paisngi kila penyeng no yakawai ka bas ka badan yaw number AS not iway JC Sao kendai kabami na silchar banwan shishlong but yo ban kemno ya uni ubriu ubakerteng u isak el jote arpun rius namrta ubadai na madan ting shlong. Ha kajing talasi hapo kakendon NDPS Act haringkat kajingadan lang kisaki balait luit ki pulit kila yo ban korup no kendai teli sinduk saban ki badan haduk kendai puai point prapun riu gram udrok heroin uba shongdor palat sapholak tingka. Hadin ki pulit kila register case persya ya hakliret police station hapo kakendon NDPS Act bat kajing tokit kadanga syakman ban lapdin syuk ya ki weipat ki badan keti.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.